everybody. All right, so we are doing 20 minutes of abs today. You don't need any equipment. I will give you guys modifications for everything. We're going to show you from like very basic beginner stuff to advanced. Okay? Sound good? Don't forget to hit like. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Please, 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 please. All right. Hey, you went up for his coffee. All right. Okay. What are we doing? All right, so a couple options here. Option one, hands are going to be behind your head. Everything's a minute, Mr. Kev, okay? We're going to take a hand. This is option one. Feet would be flat. And you're going to take a halfway up crunch. Now, look at my positioning here. I'm not flexing this way, okay? I'm coming up. Now, option two, your legs are extended. Sorry, option two, legs are somewhat extended, and you're going to do a small lift with it. Option three, toes are pointed, Paula, and you're going to go lift, and see how small that is, okay? You ready? So we have a minute. Tilt your pelvis. Ready? Here we go. So, up. Okay. So, now, if legs extended like this is too much, if your lower back does not like that, if you have trouble keeping that lower back in contact with the floor, bring them in a little bit, right? Bring them in a little bit until you feel that you're using the abs, right, to crunch, all right? Again, I don't want you to think of pulling on the head, right? Up, good. Hey, Aracelice, good. Bob is in the house, back for abs. Your tummy has to look good as your butt and your legs. That's right, buddy. Come on. Good. I just have my handy dandy notebook. Hi, Lou. And Kendra, don't look. He's not on screen. Don't worry. I'll tell you. Good. Almost there. One more. Up. Now, option one. Feet out. So legs wide. Side to side, keeping you up in a crunch. Or legs straight. Lift. Hands behind your head. You're going to go side to side. Okay? Head is up. Shoulders are up. Ready? 1 minute? Here we go. Now, side to side, okay? So, this could also be here, okay? Gives you a little more stability through that middle. There's one more, Jen. Your legs are up and hollow, okay? And you're going side to side. Jen, I was talking to you. Come on. Good, good. Inside, good. To side. Woo! You got it. Side, good. Side, good. Now, here's the thing. If your neck bothers you, put it down, take a break, bring it side to side, right? And just come up when you're ready to keep going, right? Keep going. So I just gave you options for everyone. Feet could be flat, legs could be straight, legs could be up, right? Keep going. Side, inside, good. One more. And stop. Good. Option one, cross to the knee. Option two, extend the leg. Option three, arms and legs in a big star. Up, star cross. Ready? Your choice. Here we go. I'm going to show it to you again. So here's your star alternating. All right, Aggie. Okay, or hands behind, extend your leg, or just cross over. All right, you got lots of options. No, Amanda, you're doing it too. I know you are. Keep going. Come on. By the way, Kevin, Amanda, whenever I read half of your text messages to Kevin, he's like, I love her. You guys crack us up. Keep going. Woo! Yes. Do any options you can. Good. Good. Whew. Remember, any of those options are fine. You could do it with your feet down. You could do an extension. Woo! Come on. Good. Good. You got this. And stop. Good. Knee in. Rock yourself up. Option one, you'd be on your elbows. Okay? And you work on, actually don't even lift your leg that high. You're going to work on lifting up a teeny tiny bit. So like little baby walks. You're not bringing your knee in. You're just lifting a little bit, keeping your tummy tight. Option 2, on the hands, you're going in, or feet down, knee in. Okay? You ready? And here we go. In. Good. In. So let me show you those options again. And you can't be on your hands. This is a baby walk. And you will be surprised that if you're not arching your back like this, to this, that you will feel this in your abs. I feel it in my abs already. Okay? You're just lifting the feet off the floor a tiny, tiny bit. Okay? Or here. Or one at a time. Okay? Which is actually harder than both. All right? Because you leave that one out there in the isometric. Good. Whew. Stay with it. Are you excited that we're going to be doing 2 of these? 2 rounds of this? Come on. Woo! Stay with it. Are we really doing cardio core tomorrow? Maybe. 3, 2, 1. Come to your back. Okay. Option 1, hands by your side. Knees in a tabletop. This is option 1. You will flex a foot down to the floor and back up without arching your back and back down. Option 2, extend the leg. Okay. Option 3, squeeze the legs together both and then a little reverse curl, but it's slow. Okay. You're not swinging. Ready? Here we go. So option 1 is alternating. Heel down. Option 2, extend 1. Yeah. Option 3, and here we go. So, Kev, no, it's 60. But I wasn't even doing it yet, really. So put it at 45. Sorry, that's my fault. Good. You're good, Kev, good. Squeeze the legs together if you're doing both. Squeeze them together. Yes, and in. Good. Slow. It is not fast here. I want you to squeeze if you're doing both legs, right? Squeeze them together. Glue the legs of the feet together. Come on. How you doing, Bob? Woo! Jen, Paula. Another happy birthday to Joanne and Aggie. Woo! Come on, 10 seconds left of these. And stop. Okay, last one. You're gonna go, option 1, on the knees plank, turn to side plank, back to the knees plank, or just work on the plank in the center. Option 2, feet apart, on the forearms, reach, and then center another side, okay? Ready, 1 minute? Here we go, so, under, reach, hold, squeeze the inner thighs together, and then back down. Other side. Make sure, hold. Give a little love in that side plank. Good, back down. Make sure, if you're doing the feet on the floor, that you give a little hold there and you squeeze those inner thighs together. Good, back down. Other side. Nice. Hold it. Little love to those obliques. Good, back. Other side. Woo-hoo-hoo. Happy abs. Now, here's the deal, guys. Maybe you've never done ab workouts before, right? Maybe you're like just getting started. If 1 round is enough, 1 round is enough. Now, I know who's here and who's just getting started and who's not. And I already saw that, Taryn, you're allowed to leave because you told me you're going to work. Good. Other side. All right? There's days you don't feel like it, right? Maybe you just stick with me. You said, I'm going to do 20 minutes of abs, right? And stop. When you picked this video, you said, all right, I'm doing 20 minutes of abs. Do something for the second set. I don't care if it's planks and crunches or whatever you got to do. Do something that's work. Doesn't have to be exactly what I'm doing, right? All right, we got it one more time. You got those mini crunches. They could be right here. They could be here or legs straight. Ready? 1 minute. Slow. Up and down. Up. Good. So round 2 is just all what we just did. Good. Good. Up. Good. I know. Repeats are where it's at, by the way, right? Because you're giving the muscle some time to relax in between, and then you're starting it up again. So repeats really do make a difference, okay? Keep the pelvis tilted here, right? As you do these little lifts. Good. Up. Well, I understand, Taryn, but it's like, I always would love that at the gym when someone would come to me and be like, I'm just letting you know that I have to leave 5-10 minutes early. Okay, I don't want you to be offended. That's like so respectful, right? It just like doesn't make the instructor feel like they're like someone's leaving their class. And stop. Okay, now legs together, or if you start with these, you could do them. Sorry, extending, or I'm doing these wrong. I'm sorry. Oh, so these are straight legs side to side. I'm sorry. Ready? Here we go. 1 minute. They can be bent. Or they can be straight. Or Jen, they can be hollow. Amanda. When we're done with this one, who's doing hollow besides Jen? Go on. Woo, Armida. Go on, let's go. That's right. You're halfway there. Why stop now? Good. Kev. Keep going. I can't even tell you what Kevin just said. I'm not even going to say it. I mean, it's not that bad, but I won't tell you. Keep going. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Let's go. Oh, hi, Louie. Oh, where are you going? Come here, I have a treat. Keep going. He's like, no, you don't. Keep going. Hi, buddy. Keep going. Stay with it. Come on. 3, 2, and 1. Oh my goodness. What was next? Okay, straight legs star crunch or crosses. Oh my gosh. Okay, so ready? Straight arms and straight legs. Option. Here's option 3, which is the hardest. Let's go. 1 minute. Okay, now again, this can be extending. Okay, or this could be crossing. Yeah? Come on. Don't rush it. Take the time to lift up, to feel the contraction through your abdominals. Amanda, no, you're not hollow. Come on. Woo. Good. Nice, keep going. Good. Up. Nice. Good. 15 seconds left. Good. And stop. Okay, come up. You're going to be on either your elbows, okay, doing the baby taps, okay, or on the hands, knee in, or feet up. Here we go. Ready? In. 1 minute. In. Good. It's okay. So again, this can be here. It can be here. And just work on the lift. If you're not feeling this in your abs, if you're doing the lift, you're probably using your hip flexors. Now, ways you can get out of the hip flexor, okay? Make sure when you're here, okay, do you see how I'm sinking into my shoulders? I'm just showing you if you're not doing it right. So if you don't feel it's doing it right. If I'm sinking into my shoulders, now my back is all rounded. I need to be up in a position where I'm already using my abs to an extent to hold me up, okay? So don't sink into your shoulders. Good, come on. That's perfect, Kristen. I love it. Good. That's a good way to get stronger. Do some, right? Do some at one level, and then maybe for the last 20 seconds, try the harder one, right? Good. Keep going. And stop. All right. Okay. Back to your back, right? These can be one down at a time. They can be one extended or both extended with a full crunch. Here we go. Ready? 1 minute. Good. And in, lift. Good. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Good. And in and lift. Nice. Extend. Good. And you will notice that if you do squeeze the inner thighs together as you extend out, that it will help to work your abs. So do one without squeezing them together so hard, and then do one with really squeezing them together really hard, okay? And that lift of your hips off the floor is very deliberate. You're not lifting and popping it off the floor. You're lifting it up, and you're just putting it back down, all right? Woo! Good, good. Good morning, Mary. Good. Stay with it. Good. What did Kristen say? Sometimes I forget that I... And stop. Good. Okay. You are stronger than you think. Most people are stronger than they think they are, actually. All right? All right. Am I missing one? Did I miss one? I don't think so. Okay. All right. So this time when you're on the forearms, cross them like this. Okay. All right. So cross them like that, feet apart. And you'll take that side plank, center, and then the other side. Okay. You ready? And go. So good. Hips stack. Hold it for a second. Good. Come back to the center. So yeah, Kristen, it is funny. When I would train people, especially women, they never wanted to go, like, heavier on the weights. And they're like, I could never lift a 10-pound dumbbell. And then I said, no, listen, I'm telling you right now, you can absolutely chest press 10-pound dumbbells. Almost like 85% of them were like always surprised that they could lift weight that they never thought that they could. Okay? So it's true. Oh, no, Kristen, you're the one doing the work. You're the one doing the work. Good. So, Kristen, Vanessa sent me a list of the top 100, I think it was, 80s movies. I'll tell you, I mean, there was a lot of good movies on it. But what I put, hold it in the center, hold it, and stop. Good. Come on back. I didn't forget a move, did I? All right, listen, come up to the center. Arch. Good. What time is it, Kev? 9:53. Oh, that's 20 minutes. Okay. Good. Lucky you guys. Good. Hands and knees. Round. I would never put Roger Rabbit in front of, higher on that list, than Ferris Bueller, The Lost Boys, Dirty Dancing. Like, who made this list? Yeah, it's not that good. Kristen, you and I can have a conversation about this list for 3 hours. Good. And then Vanessa said, I've never heard of Heathers. And I was like, what? You never heard of Heathers? Good. All right, come to the knees. Woo. But I guess Heathers was probably like 87. Stretch. Weird Science was not number one. Number one was A Christmas Story. So I don't know if it was like in order of like how much money it made. I don't know, but I don't know. Ah, good. Up, take it down. Roll your shoulders back. Oh, good. I know. Heathers was good. But I wouldn't put that ahead of Ferris Bueller or The Breakfast Club. Or 16 Candles. Good. Come on up. Come on up. A little dance break. Big breath in. Hands together. You guys, don't forget to head over to CDornerFitness.com. Sign up for the email list. It is free. I only send one a week unless the schedule changes. You get the schedule before everybody else, sometimes recipes, playlists that you might not know about. And everybody, thank you so much. Bye, guys.